So our cleaning and sanitizing of totes takes many parts. And a few key takeaways for our cleaning and sanitizing is what we call our nonverbal communication of a style of how we store our totes. When they are upside down, these are clean, sanitized, ready to rock and roll for the day. If you look over here, you'll see if they're right side up, these have been used and emptied, but they have yet to be cleaned and sanitized. So a nonverbal communication is if they're upright, they need to be cleaned. If they're flipped upside down, they're ready to go. Another form of management for our totes system is keeping them up off of the ground. No tote touches the ground when in the wash stand or pack. We utilize dollies on wheels or casters so that everything's modular and easy to move, but also up off of the ground. Similar to our tote management of keeping things up off the floor, here we have our trusty nail that hangs our sprayer so that our hose head and sprayer are never touching the ground. Here you'll see our 2 designated carts for our wash pack facility. These are strictly used for our vegetables coming from our wash and going down to our pack house.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.